Welcome back to the next part of this song. As I promised you, I was going to do the next part of this song where we'll be learning and exploring the chords that come, to this next level of the song. Okay, so this is the next part that we are going to do. Every say, oh yeah, na na da. So yeah, let's go. So this one basically we're playing the just the melody. Okay, we're playing everything that we can sing. Okay, I know ideally this is not the way to go about improvising songs, especially if you don't know the song. But this one we're talking about a song that we are very familiar with, so that we can learn basic things from it. And the next level, I'm going to show you how you can just play it without actually playing the song. So you just playing like an accompaniment. Okay, so you just follow the song the way it should go. So let's go to this one. Every sign. So yeah, this where a little change will come in. So this is the every sign. It's just the fa, so la, then fa. Okay, and then we go to T. So you just switch quickly. So this is how it sounds like. Let me just play it. So every sa, inside the sa, then you change it before you go to the next chord. So that progression is very, very nice. It transitions into the other nicely, beautifully. So okay, so it's T, and the right side is ma. Yeah, people say re. Is it re? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. So okay. So are you familiar with this chord? So it's A on the left, and then on the right it's C, E, and then C. Always remember this chord. This particular one, we'll be needing it a lot. Okay, so yeah, so okay, and this is the one I told you that we'll be learning from time to time. I'll make a separate video for this one because you have to be able to run. Should be able to run the chords on the left. Okay, so we'll be doing that as well in a separate video. Okay, so let's focus on this one now. Okay, so there are two ways to go about this. Either you play something in between, or you can just maintain that same chord. Okay, okay, so every sound, oh yeah, okay, yeah. So that one is D, and then A, and then on the right, that's for the left, D and A, and then on the right it's C, D, and then A. Okay, it's a very nice chord as well. So if you don't want to do too much, okay, if you want to do too much, you can just, okay, yeah, so, or if you want to do too much, if you want to level up a bit or make it a bit, you know, too much, so. Okay. But if you don't, okay, so na na doi, na doi. So this one is also another chord. The right side is fa, la, okay, fa, la, and then fa. Okay, that's B flat, D, and then B flat. Okay, and then the left side is G, and then F and G. So it's, so you change it, just subtle change, but it makes so much sense. Okay, so na na doi. Okay, so let's go from every side. Oh yeah, na na doi. Okay, so sometimes I prefer to leave that particular one. Na na doi do so ma yen. Okay. Na na doi. Okay. Okay. So it's just, you just fill in that before you go to do so ma yen. Okay, so do so ma yen. Na na doi. You see? Na na doi. So that one is C and G, and then with the right it's B flat, D, and then F. This chord, usually when you play this way, it sounds nice, but when it leads to another progression, it's unreal. Like, okay, so okay, so you don't feel it so much. So that's how I personally use it, because when things are a bit high and you know it's like they are pumping, and then I just slow down with that particular subtle chord. That's how I play it. Sometimes knowing the chord is not enough. It's about how to use it, and how strong you want it to go, or how soft you want it to be. Okay, so okay. Okay. Do so ma yen. Do so. Oh, sorry. Na do. Do so ma yen. So ma yen. So yeah. So yeah. So na na toy do so. So it's just like the first the home chord that we played. So it's do re mi, do mi, so do mi, and then the other one is do, and then this one is G, G, and then on the right it's D, F, G, and B. So, and this is C. So C, C, and then E, G, C. Okay, so we come back to the one in the previous video. If you've not seen the other video, you can go back to it. Okay, so you can always go back and then check everything, all the chords that we played, so you can learn right from there. I've slowed down enough so that it will be easy for you to catch up and know whatever you want to play. Okay, so let's go over one more time. So every side, oh yeah, na na do. So mayen dana se So this is just the second part of the song, and if you want to level up even bigger, so if you want to go a bit even bigger with this one, you have to watch the next video so that you can learn some of these chords that come with it, and that will be the final one for Danase series. Okay.